Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we will explore UnitedHealth Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.90. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of -13.88%. This amounts to an average loss of -0.99% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. This stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, although false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nevertheless, a further decline seems plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point, $411.28, should be viewed as a second chance to exit. According to fan theory, $239.84 may represent the new lower boundary of the upcoming trend, but it is still too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 9.21% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 4.51% to an increase of 35.29%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -7.16%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from a growth of 7.30% to an increase of 43.11% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $419.61 and $559.64. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock downgraded to strong sell candidate. The UnitedHealth Group stock price fell by 0.87% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, decreasing from $394.51 to $391.06. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.55%, reaching a low of $385.70 and a high of $395.52. The stock has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, showing an overall decline of 8.62% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 617,000 shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.97 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $630.73, while the lowest price was $385.70. Currently, the price stands 38%, or $239.67, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group is currently facing significant challenges, particularly following the tragic death of its CEO, Brian Thompson. Recent developments suggest that the company may have concealed the negative impact of this event on its operations. On April 17th, UnitedHealth stock experienced a decline of 22%, leading to a staggering loss of approximately $119 billion in market value, after the company revised its earnings forecast for 2025 downward. This substantial drop has prompted a shareholder lawsuit accusing the company of securities fraud for allegedly hiding the detrimental effects on profitability related to Thompson's passing. Additionally, the Rosen law firm has initiated a class action lawsuit for investors who were affected during this specified period. These legal actions reflect growing concerns about corporate governance and transparency within the organization. The fallout from these events could result in heightened scrutiny from regulators and a persistent erosion of investor confidence in the short term. It is likely that UnitedHealth's stock price will continue to be volatile as these lawsuits progress and market sentiment mirrors investor anxiety. The long-term implications may involve reputational damage that could undermine customer trust and, ultimately, sales. As analysts and investors closely observe this situation, the company's future performance may depend on its ability to restore confidence and demonstrate resilience in the face of these crises. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a hold rating accompanied by a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company issued a buy rating for UNH with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave UNH an overweight rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned UNH an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Stevens rated UNH as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general, neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of UnitedHealth Group is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is indicated by the relationship between the two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels of $401.66 and $490.34. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, April 11th, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 34.77%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.82 between its high and low points, which represents a 2.55% change. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.72%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. analysts' consensus estimates are set at $6.28. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $425.33. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, meaning the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the same day, John H. Noseworthy also made an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. Additionally, on April 1, 2025, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider buy of 183 shares of common stock. On that day, Paul R. Garcia bought 60 shares of common stock. Paul R. Garcia also made another purchase of 108 shares of common stock on the same date. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 56.303. In total, insiders acquired 273,529 shares, while selling 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative signals and is currently within a wide and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the forthcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by 0.3 dollars and begin trading at $390.76. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.